Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of laser engraving, but unsure where to start? There are lots of engravers that are great for personalizing blank crafts for your friends and family. WAINLUX Z3 Portable Laser Engraver Machine. With 60 watts laser power, the WAINLUX Z3 is perfect for high-speed engraving on various flammable materials. Its folding design features a lift and hidden body, built-in safety goggles, and an exhaust cart for added convenience and safety. LaserPecker 3 Portable Laser Engraving Machine. The LaserPecker 3 is a laser engraver that can engrave on metal and plastic materials without pre-processing. It has an ultra-fine compression spot for detailed and vivid images and uses Galvo technology for high-speed engraving. MR.CARVE M1 Fiber Pro Laser Marking Machine. This industrial laser marking machine is the lightest on the market, making it easy to use both at home and on the assembly line. It is suitable for all metals and some hard plastic and can be used for batch engraving or DIY projects. The machine has a 2 watts laser power and a marking area of 70 mm by 70 mm. DJ6 Pro Portable Laser Engraver. The DJ6 is a good home laser engraver that has a stable and safe base design made of aluminium and ABS materials, making it both robust and lightweight. It has anti-slip legs and built-in eyes protection lens and cooling fans. It can engrave on various materials and has 4 different engraving modes. It can be connected in several different methods, including through a mobile app or offline. LaserPecker 2 Portable Laser Engraver. The LaserPecker 2 laser engraver can be set up easily with a smartphone or PC and has a 360-degree rotary engraving feature for cylindrical objects. It can engrave a variety of materials and has high resolution and speed capabilities. ENJOYWOOD M4. The ENJOYWOOD M4 laser engraver has a 100 watts electrical power and an ultrafine compressed spot technology for precise and detailed engraving. It can be used as a desktop or handheld machine and uses industrial galvanometer technology for faster engraving speeds. It is safe to use with a 1064 nanometers infrared wavelength cold light source. The machine is compatible with various engraving software. xTool F1 Fastest Portable Laser Engraver. The xTool F1 is the fastest compact engraver with dual lasers. This means that it has not one laser beam but 2, making it a great option for intricate designs. It works with different materials, including wood, metal, and acrylic. You can also use it with the rotary attachment to make cylindrical objects like glass cans, mugs, or ornaments.